We are very high up.
Look at the cars. They look like insects. The wind is very loud up here. Yes, the cabin is moving a little.
It is completely safe. Just enjoy the view.
Max is looking at the ground. He is quiet.
What happened?
The lights are out. Everything is dark.
The wheel stopped. We are not moving.
It is a power cut in the city. Do not move.
I cannot see anything. I am scared.
Look at me, sweetheart. Take a deep breath. Everything is going to be fine. Just focus on my voice.
Everybody, just stay calm. I'm sure they will get it moving soon. Let's just try to keep warm.
Check your signal. Call the police.
No. I have no signal. I cannot make a call.
It is freezing in here.
Put on your jackets. We must wait. The wind is getting stronger. The cabin is shaking. Look down. Red and blue lights. The rescue team is there.
They are too far. They cannot hear us.
And our light is too small.
Max is looking at them.
Max, speak! Bark! Make noise!
Yes, Max! Bark as loud as you can!
Very loud.
Good boy, Max!
Look! The fire truck has a big light.
The light is pointing up!
I am so glad we are back together. I was so worried about you, Max. I love you all so very much.
Hold on, everyone. They are starting the emergency engine.
Everything is going to be okay now. We are finally going home.
You saved us, Max. That was a terrible experience.
But we are safe. We are going home.